Hi, hello children. This is Dinesh Khanna. Today discuss about means of spread. Nowadays, a lot of people suffering from coronavirus. So how to spread one to each other? So today let we discuss about means of spread. So how do infection disease spread? Many microbial agents can commonly move from an affected person to someone person in a variety of ways. You can see the ways, see the not only one way, the varieties of ways. So, children, listening carefully, they can be communicated and so are also called communicable diseases. Any diseases occurring during the communicate due to communicated, so it called communicated diseases. Such diseases causing microbes can spread through the air. This occurs through the little droplet thrown out by an infected person who sneezes or coughs. Nowadays is the best example for coronavirus, how to spread, why we take conducting lockdown, Indian government, okay, is the best example. Someone standing close by and breathe in these droplets, and the microbes get a chance to start a new infection. Example of such diseases spread through the air are the common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. We all have had the experience of sitting near someone suffering from a cold and catching it ourselves. Obviously, the more crowded our living conditions are, the more likely it is that such airborne diseases will spread. You see the children, some are there, one infected person here. See, is the infected person. So, how many ways are spreading among the people? You can see direct contact by air means breathing. Indirect contact means take any food items like mosquitoes like that, mosquito bite, and pet by through pet animals. Okay, children, you can see so many ways, so many ways are there. So the healthy person becomes only ill person. So, children, you can see disease can also be spread through water. Okay, children, diseases can through water. You can see anybody take drink water. So, this occur of if the extra from someone suffering from an infectious gut disease, such as cholera, get mixed with the drinking water used by people living nearby. The cholera causing microbes will enter new hosts through the water they drink and cause disease in them. Such diseases are much more likely to spread in the absence of safe supplies of drinking water. But nowadays, you can wearing some of tools like mask like that, precautions. So you can should avoid the corona disease. Not surprisingly, there are microbial diseases such as syphilis and AIDS. Already discussed, children. This is the syphilis, AIDS. Syphilis means is the STD diseases that are transmitted by sexual contact from one partner to another partner. Okay, children. However, such sexually transmitted diseases are not spread by casually physical contact. Okay, this only STD diseases only contact by sexual contacts only. You can see here is the sexually contact. Casual physical contacts include handshakes or hugs or sports like wrestling or by any of the other ways in which we touch each other socially. Okay, children, you can see here. Um, see once clearly. So, other than the sexual contact, the AIDS virus can also spread through blood to blood contact with infected people or from an infected mother to her baby during pregnancy or through breastfeeding. We live in an environment that is full of many other creatures apart from us. Okay, children, how it is inevitable that many diseases will be transmitted by other animals. Okay, children, let's see and observe. These animals carry the infected agent from a sick person to another potential host. You see the picture clearly. So, some animals. Okay, children, malaria caused by mosquito, some insects, and dogs also you can observe. These animals are thus the intermediary and are called vectors. Okay, vectors mean it's the intermediate person or things. It help in spreading disease among the people or social. The commonest vectors we all know are mosquitoes. In many species of mosquitoes, the female need highly nutritious food in the form of blood in order to be able to lay mature eggs. Okay, children, mosquito feed on mosquito feed on many warm-blooded animals only, including us. Okay, children, you know what is the meaning of warm-blooded animals. Okay, so children, in this way, they can transfer diseases from one person to another person. Okay, children, this is the common methods of transmission of diseases. Okay, thank you for this watching video. This is the nowadays facing a lot of suffering from how to avoid the coronavirus. So think and avoid SMS, mask and social distance and sanitizer. Okay, stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you.